kung may challenges man po, may struggles, may difficulty, I hope that you can overcome it. Because count your difficulties, count your struggles, count your challenges, because someday, that will be a blessing for you. It's a blessing in disguise. Because the next time that you encounter a bigger or a problem, you would know how to handle it. Because you are now a better person and a better leader because of these challenges, because of these difficulties, and because of these struggles. Tama po ba? Do you agree? Thank you. Okay. And what are the two most important days in your life? Ang makakasagot po nito, I have the official token giveaway of RI President Stephanie Yurchik. If you can answer this too, I'm going to give one kasi dalawa lang po ang dala ko. Naubos na sa ibang district. So, what are the two most important days in your life? The first is, taas mong kamay, isa lang yung gift. Yes. Ano po?
May wake up in the morning.
Pwede rin, but it's one of the most important. But the first one is? Yes? Ha? First thing? Birthday! Correct po! Birthday! Punta lang po kayo kay PP Roda to get your token.
Blessing Alkisa of the Rotary Club of Victoria. Hey!
Yan.